Hello, everyone. So we are live again. In fact, I am live again, I would say. Um, so, guys, if you can see me live and you can hear me loud and clear, am I visible to you? If you can let me know in the comment section, I will just double cross check that I am live on YouTube or not. YouTube as well as LinkedIn, so I can see myself live on. So I am live on YouTube. There is no problem at all. And I can see a few people joining in now. And we are back with another project, this time on software. Uh, this is a very interesting project which we are going to start, and some exciting prizes also coming up in today's project section. Okay. I still let me check on LinkedIn as well. So, guys, if you can just let me know in the comment section that you can hear me loud and clear, that would be great. And there we go. Okay. And here we have our projects. There we go. So I can see myself live on this project on LinkedIn as well. There is no problem at all. So I'm live on LinkedIn as well. I am live on YouTube as well. So we'll just wait for it. So guys, if you can just let us know in the comment section from which location you are dialing in today, that would be great. And I am currently dialing in from Toronto in Canada. So if you can also let me know which location you are dialing in today, that would be great. Okay, so we can now start our project. So let me share my screen, and once you see my screen, you can let me know. So guys, I have shared my screen now, and you can see my project slide over here. We are starting one project on AlpacaCraft, and that is creating your own avatar, which is like a very good, interesting project for software developers. So anybody interested in doing this project is completely free. In next 7 days, you can complete this project. We are going to start this one. Okay. So let me just check it once that whether we are live it on YouTube or not. My screen is visible or not. Uh, and then we can start. Okay, so my screen is completely visible. There is no problem at all. And there we go. Let's start. So before we start this project presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Amit Kumar Lal. I am head of business operations at High Counselor. I did my bachelor's into computer science. I did my MBA program in marketing and human resources. I did my PhD program in marketing research. I was an alumni of Research Summer School at IMA. I was also I worked with different corporate companies like Wipro, Reliance, and ICICI Bank. I worked for more than 10 years in teaching both undergraduate and postgraduate students. I also have an educational channel called as Dr. Amit Lal with more than 100K following on YouTube. You can also follow me there. Moving on. So, what are the key challenges which we wanted to like we wanted to address through High Counselor. So we started High Counselor because of three main reasons. Because we know that number one is lack of experience. People do struggle a lot while landing into job because they don't have the experience. The second important point is they lack interview opportunities. So sometimes the candidates are really good, but they are not able to get interviews for them because of lack of networking skills. And third, sometimes they get the interviews, but they are not prepared enough. And to solve all these issues, we came up with a model which is called as High Counselor ecosystem model, where we try to help candidates from end to end. So our main objective is to make sure that we fix the resume of the candidate in the right way. We fix the LinkedIn account of the candidate. We offer them internships and project from our platform. We invite our mentors who are industry experts to help candidates on one-on-one basis. We do offer some upskilling courses as well, so that recently we had a course on generative AI so that people can be more employable. We can make our candidates more employable. And apart from this, we also do a lot of job application for you in terms of job matching, identifying right jobs for you, applying for you, and we also help you in email networking. So all these things are part of High Counselor ecosystem. So anybody who's part of our ISA program can access all of these. We are currently supporting following roles. So anybody is working in the software role or looking for job in the software role, front end, back end, full stack, we can help you. We can help people in Salesforce. We can help people in sales domain, which we recently started. We can help you in the domain of data. So if you're looking for a role in data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, IIML, business intelligence, business analyst, we can help you out. We can also help you if you are looking for any role in product management. So what is the pricing right now for High Counselor? So we do not charge anything upfront, because we know that if somebody doesn't have the job, it is very difficult to pay them, difficult for them to pay. So that's the reason why we offer, like, we do not charge anything upfront. So once you land into a job, then only we will be charging you. So our starting package is of $10,000, which you are supposed to pay 9% of your monthly income till the cap hits the $10,000. On the other side, when we talk about advanced candidates, so we have $15,000, so it is 14% of your monthly income. The first week of the program is completely free, so you can join, you can experience our product, and then if you like it, you can continue. These are the difference between what we offer in starter and advanced. Obviously, advanced have all the things, but we offer everything in advanced. However, in the starter package, there are certain limitations. These are some of our recent candidates who landed job through High Counselor. You can read their reviews at highcounselor.com/review. So how do the whole application process work? The whole application process works in a way that you can go to highcounselor.com. You can see our upcoming cohort date, start your application, complete the basic questions which are asked over there. We will evaluate your profile. After evaluation, we'll send you an interview request. We'll interview you personally on one-on-one basis, and then based on that, we'll take an admission decision. So let's move on to objective of live projects. So number one is to overcome, you don't have work experience. So why we started this live project? One question which most of the people ask us, that why you're offering it for free? What is your objective over here? So our objective was very clear, that we wanted to create a platform where we can help people completing project completely on an online platform. You don't need your local machine at all. And most importantly, we wanted to, so that people can add that experience into their resume, into their CV, that they have completed following projects, and they can solve some real time projects, real time problems, and that can be shown as a work experience as well. You can and most importantly, at the end of the doing projects, most probably you can by overcome the tag of something that we don't have the work experience. So we are starting this project today, which is called as AlpacaCraft. So it's an interactive image generator, which you are supposed to do. You allow users to create avatars by using various accessories like hairstyle, background. Most importantly, you can customize your options also. So if more than it's more than it's generated, it's fun, right? It's really creative. You can create some great alphacas. Okay. So there are 5 modules in it. You have to complete each one of one by one. After all the 5 modules, when you complete it, you are supposed to get your certificate also, and prizes also if you are on the leaderboard. So what are we are offering today? So we are offering 2 gifts today. The first is the top 3 people will be featured on Times Square. So Times Square, we are featuring regularly our winners on our Times Square, which is like really one of the ways of our like it's a very good expression, I believe, that people are able to feature themselves because of their technical skills. They can like let their employers also know in their interview process. You can mention it on the resume as well. Apart from this, we are offering also top 5 people from our leaderboard. Will be offering them 1 month of subscription. So you will get the subscription of our platform for 1 month, and you can complete as many projects as possible. So these are some of our recent candidates. Rupmati was featured. Dhruv was featured over there. We do share the live timeline with you at the same time. You can invite your family, friends. They can also watch you live being featured on Times Square. Moving on. So what else we are offering right now? So who are your mentors over here? So Aditya and me always there to help you out in this. We are the functional mentors, but Chirag is the one who is our technical lead. So he looks into complete one-on-one support from his with his team. So you can join our Discord channel, and I'll show you. Before I give you a Discord channel, I'll just let you know how you can start this project. Now that is very important. Okay. So let me show you that how you can start your project. So you can go to highcounselor.com. Once you are here, you will see over here login. On right hand side, you will see login. So it will say candidate login. Click on candidate login. So if you have your account, you can log in with your account. If you don't have your account, you can click on create an account. Okay. So let's say I don't have an account. Go to create an account. Full name, email ID, password, everything written over here. And then you can sign up. You will get your credentials in your email. Okay. And then if you have your account, just go to sign in and then let me log in because I have my account over here. Wait. So my ID is this and my password is this. So once you log in over here, you can go back to now project section, and you can see the project which we are starting today. So we are starting this. Just wait for 1 second. And let me search for the project as well. Yeah, so we are starting this project which is called AlpacaCraft. So you can come to this, go to sandbox, click on go to sandbox. Okay. So once you go to the sandbox, click on this plus button. Now you can add this project, click on choose template, and now the project will start loading. Okay. So now you can see the project has started, and it will just take. So make sure that I'll just repeat the process for you. Go to highcounselor.com, click on projects, uh, log in with your ID, create an account, or if you have your login, just log in with your ID, and then choose the project which we are doing right now. So we are doing this AlpacaCraft today. So just click on this, and then after that, click on go to sandbox, then click on plus sign, add the project over here. Very simple. Okay. And once the project is added, we already reached 80%. Okay, so we are ready. So just click on open sandbox now, and your project is ready. Now your project will be loaded, and you can start your coding. You can write your code, you can run your code. Yeah. So the sandbox environment is ready now, and you can see over here. Okay. So there we go. So your project is ready. You can start writing your code. You can see all the tasks over here. Okay. And you can see the leaderboard over here. You can have the leaderboard over here, right? You can run the browser also here if you need any help. Okay. And how to be on the leaderboard? Now that's the key important question. The number one is your code should be accurate. You should make less mistakes. Second important, you should be efficient. Your time should be less. And third is by inviting people. All the three criterias are important. So you can click on invite your friends. You can write their email IDs, or you can copy this link and share with them. So you can invite as many people as possible. If you face any problem from the platform, click on report the bug, and you can write your subject, your description, you can add your image, everything over here. Okay, so in this way you can start this project, run your code. The validity of this project is for next 7 days. I hope the whole idea is clear to you. And for joining our Discord channel, so this is also very important, let me share with you. And this time, guys, we are offering two prizes for software people. So if you are part of this, you can access both. You can be featured on leaderboard as well, and you can be featured on the Times Square as well. Plus you will also get the top 5 people will also get an access of 1 month of our paid subscription, which is worth of around $200. Okay, so let me show you that how you can join our Discord channel. So there we go. Yeah, so now you can see on my background there is a QR code. This is our Discord community. We already have around 4,000 people in our Discord community. There are so many mentors who are part of our Discord community. So you can be a part of this. You can build your relation. You can post your queries. Our team will be directly handling into it. Okay, so this is all from me. This is all. We are starting this project today, and from next 7 days, this project will be valid. After completion of this project, you will be able to download your certificate as well. So, if you have any questions now, feel free to ask. Do you have any query related to project? Uh, any questions? And is the process is clear? How to start this project? Is the process is completely clear to you? If you can let me know in the comment section that yes, process is clear to me. Okay, Michelle says, thank you. Thank you. Yes, please. I joined the meeting late. Please, can you go through the process again? The process was simple. Let me explain you again. Go to highcounselor.com, the landing page, click on projects. Once you click on projects, you can log in with your ID. If you don't have an account, create an account. And then after that, select the project which we are starting today. That is the Alpha Card Crafts. And then after that, you can go to Sandbox, click on plus sign, add the project, and then you are good, ready to go. Very simple. And this video will be, the recording of this video will be available on YouTube on the live section. Aditya.High Counselor is the YouTube channel, as well as on the High Counselor LinkedIn page. So you can watch this video again. Michelle says, yes. Michelle, thank you so much for your feedback. And guys, so this will be like two gifts in this one. So this is very like you will be able to access our project, which has project platform, which will have more than hundreds of projects. So do start this project if you want to access that. Okay, I guess I am not seeing any more questions from anyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in today. And let's see. I wish all the best to all the people who are participating in this 1 week challenge. And after this, and we'll be coming back very soon with another project on software as well as data. So we regularly keep on coming up with new projects. You can check our projects on our project platform as well. Okay, Michelle says question. Yeah, Michelle, go ahead. What is the question? If you have any question, feel free to ask. I'll just happy to answer it. Mhm. How do we submit at the end? You don't need to submit the project. Once you start writing your code, you can run the code directly from the platform. Nothing you have to do on your local machine. Sandbox have all the features. Okay, so you have to complete the project only our platform only. Everything is inbuilt there. Don't worry. Okay, thank you so much for joining in today, and we'll be meeting very soon. Bye bye for now.